Would you talk a little bit about how you see the state of healthcare under, Robert Kennedy and others?
Oh, God. Robert Kennedy is a disaster. He is the number one public health threat in our country, and he happens to be the Secretary of Health and Human Services. The misinformation that spews out of his mouth and out of the department literally makes Americans sicker and more people more likely to die. What they have done to amplify vaccine misinformation, to, really limit people's access to key public health measures, to ostracize scientists and fire like the only experts that we have in our country that do this important work to keep us safe and healthy is so dangerous. And then that's compounded by, again, $1 trillion cut to Medicaid, which means that nearly 600 nursing homes around the country will close. Illinois is slated to have the most nursing home closures in the country. It will be devastating when we start to see those closures across our community. The rural hospital closures have already started. Even if the whole facility hasn't closed, we've seen pediatrics units or mother-baby units or ICUs start to close across our region, cutting $500 billion out of Medicare, and then the ACA tax credits. We're expecting to see millions of Americans become uninsured because they can't afford that payment without that generous tax credit.